The Smart HD 2021 is the cheapest offering from Infinix in Nigeria so far, with a price tag of about 40,500 naira or $90. And for this price, you are getting the necessary 2GB RAM, a spacious 32GB internal storage, large 5000 mAh battery, quite immersive HD Plus 720p IPS dot-in notch display with amazing 500 nits sunlight brightness, a dual 8MP f2.0 cameras, elegant design and good user experience. I always appreciate Infinix for giving us a complete unboxing experience, that is, every accessories is accounted for except for the SIM ejector pin, and that's because it has the old-fashioned removable back cover that houses the 2 nano SIM slots and a dedicated SD card support up to 256GB, which is also why there is nothing at the left side. At the right side is the volume and power buttons. The top houses the 3.5mm headphone jack, while the bottom has the microphone and micro USB port. The speaker is located at the back this time. It is quite compact, not too heavy and comfortable to hold. Infinix has mostly been impressing us with their elegant and colorful designs. This is the topaz blue color with a reflective moving V-shaped pattern. This is a unique color and you will need to see it with your naked eyes to appreciate its true color and elegance. The iPhone camera style layout also adds to its beauty. It is when you turn to the front side that the elegance starts to fade away, thanks to the pronounced bezels. The bezels at the top and sides are still manageable, but the bottom bezel is so 2018. The 6.1 inches HD Plus 720p IPS dot-in notch display gives an immersive cinematic feel when consuming multimedia content. On the brighter side, the 500 nits sunlight display brightness is where the Infinix Smart HD 2021 outshines the competition. It is actually up to 25% brighter than most smartphones in its price range. It even competes with some top smartphone displays, which is amazing. I guess this is one of the reasons why the price of the Infinix Smart HD 2021 is a little higher than expected. It can also be very dim for safer viewing at night. Another reason why the Infinix Smart HD 2021 outshines the competition is with the presence of an 8MP f2.0 selfie camera. The picture quality is commendable at this price point with good dynamic range and fair color presentation. Although there are some times where it overexposes the background, but it all depends on the weather conditions and focus points. Portrait selfie shots also came out fine with little or no error in the edge detection software, and I am impressed with these results. The dual selfie flash also brings life to the night photos, but there is drop in sharpness as expected. On the other hand, the 8MP f2.0 rear camera does a better job than the 8MP selfie camera, probably because of its autofocus feature. Images looks good and dynamic range is also impressive at this price. I didn't come across any form of overexposure in daylight like I did with the 8MP front camera lens. Indoor shots are also presentable for social media posts. It is amazing how far Infinix camera image quality has gotten better over the years in this sub $100 price range. The dual rear flash also does good job in taking night photos. Hello supermobilefans, this is the front-facing video camera test of the Infinix Smart HD 2021. Kindly let me know what you think about the audio and video quality. The video performance of both front and rear cameras are okay, but the rear camera does a better job on maintaining good dynamic range and the exposure level is better. Sadly, the video resolutions are maxed at 720p, which can be forgiven or overlooked at this price point. One more reason why the Infinix Smart HD 2021 outshines the competition is the presence of a reliable fingerprint sensor and face unlock option. Although the unlocking speeds are not fast, but definitely manageable and good to have at this price. And you definitely don't have any trouble unlocking with your face at night thanks to the 500 nits brighter sunlight display. As regards to the overall performance, you won't really feel that this is a 2GB RAM smartphone. Multitasking is surprisingly good because app switching and app retention is better than expected, thanks to the good RAM optimization of the XOS 6.2 UI and the Android 10 software. As a result of this good RAM optimization, it is faster and smoother than expected, and there are no long disturbing lags except the normal 1 to 3 seconds expected lags or stutters during navigation or scrolling as a result of having to deal with the old 28nm MediaTek 6580 quad-core chipset. Nevertheless, it is responsive, and even though it operates on the Android 10 Go edition program, I still went ahead to install the normal heavy full apps, and it surprisingly handled them well with few lags. This is impressive optimization from Infinix. The large 32GB internal storage is good enough for this price, as you can store more apps and game files. Speaking about games, this is not a gaming smartphone, but still went ahead to try out the COD, and it refused to load. However, you will be fine with 2D games like Subway Surfers or Temple Run. The large 5000 mAh battery does an impressive job and can comfortably last you more than a day depending on your usage. I was getting between 8 to 10 hours screen on time with 3G mobile data browsing most times and with auto brightness mode. You don't have to worry about battery life when using the Smart HD 2021. You just have to endure the over 6 hours charging time from the 6-watt charger. You have to keep charging or topping up every time your phone is idle. And also make sure you charge overnight if there's electricity, and you are good to go. Fortunately, there's a blue charging notification LED, which is a surprise addition for this price point. I love that Infinix has included the DTS audio technology enhancements because it makes the speaker louder and clearer. But I am not comfortable with the speaker placement at the back, which forces you to place your phone upside down. Here's how the speaker sounds like.
An important life-changing PDF document. What do? PDF elements have saved my butt so many times I can't even count. It allows you to edit, modify, add notes, add signature or stamps to any PDF document, and guess what? It's free to download. Absolutely free.
The Infinix Smart HD 2021 is sold at a reasonable price of 40,500 naira, but I believe the price should have been a little bit lower because of its cons, which is basically why there's a but in the title of this video. Fortunately, the pros outweighs the cons, that is, there are more pros than cons. From my 10 days usage as my daily driver, the Infinix Smart HD 2021 has surprisingly exceeded my expectations, and I can comfortably recommend it to those of you who just want a reliable, good and cheap Android smartphones that delivers the important basic and some more functions. I would love to know what you guys think in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on to be the first to see the next video. Talk to you in my next video. I remain humble. Stay safe. Bye.